Hi everyone. In this lesson we're going to learn about macros in Excel. Macro, you might have heard the term about macro before, but don't worry if you're not sure what it means. I'm going to break it down for you in a simple way. And by the end you'll understand how macros can make your work easier. A macro is essentially a way to automate tasks in Excel. Think of it as a shortcut for actions you often do in Excel. Instead of repeating the same steps over and over, you can record a macro and Excel will do all those steps for you with a single click. Let me give you an example. In this table, I will create and I will record a macro, meaning I want every time I will add a new customer name here, the cell should be bold. So I will record a macro and then we'll use that macro to apply for new cells. First step is to find the developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab in your Excel, you can go and customize your ribbon and find the developer tab and add it to your ribbon. Now, in the developer tab, you have in the code mini tab, you have record macro. I will click this and I have a window here with macro name. We'll say bold and then I will click OK. Now I will select all the customer full name column. We'll hit Ctrl B once and twice to have all of these rows with bold. You see, now it's clear that any customer name, any new customer name will be bold after I will activate this macro. I'm going to developer, I'm going to stop recording. And now let's start creating a new customer name, or just simply copy this from salesperson just for our sample. I will paste value. Okay, let's say that they don't are in bold, so I'm gonna put them normally. Now I will insert a shape, a simple shape, just this, just for our exercise to see how we can play with this macro. And here I will say bold. In this shape, I will right click and I will try to assign a macro. So we have now our macro, our recorded macro in the assign macro window, and I will select it. Now, when I will point this button, you see that we can click and Excel automatically transform all these names, the format of them, with bold style. So this is what a macro can do based on a recorded method. Now, macros in Excel are created using VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications, and it's a programming language built right into Excel. You can actually record your actions just like we did, or you can simply open the VBA module and create from zero a new macro. So You can open the VBA Editor in any worksheet by pressing Alt plus F11, and here we go. You see that Excel automatically open a window named Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications and the name of your file. And here we have projects, so VBA project, and other properties details for any project. In the modules, double click, and here you can see our bold macro explained in VBA language. So what we did by recording our moves and steps in Excel, now VBA put it in text in the VBA language. Now let's say that we want to create from zero a simple macro, a simple function in this VBA. So let's say we want to create a message box. So I will write sub show welcome message. So I gave a simple name, simple show welcome message name for our sub. And now after I hit enter, you see that Excel automatically insert an end sub row. And here I will write message box, welcome to VBA. And then if I will click on this run sub, you see that Excel will ask me, I select this, and Microsoft Excel show me the welcome to VBA message box. It's just a simple exercise, and here in this module you can create very complex macro that can help you. So this is VBA and macros in Excel. Thanks for watching.